Hi Crystalites, welcome back to my video. My name is Crystal and this is Crystal Display. So guys, in today's video we're going to look at a open doors haul. So if you're ready for today's video, then let's just jump straight in. If you're new on this channel, you may be wondering, what is Open Doors? It is an organization that supports the persecuted church, basically. So if you want all the information, I will link it in the description box and I'll put their website on the screen. So in today's video, I thought, why not do a Open Doors haul? So I'm super excited. I've made an order on their website, so I just wanted to just show you guys what is possible when you order from Open Doors. This is one of the organizations that truly helped my prayer life elevate. And they teach me how to pray and what points to pray, especially when it comes to the persecuted church. So before we unbox, I'm going to show you that, guys, quickly, a recent newsletter from them, well, newsletter gift from them. They always give like a little gift, whether it be a booklet or something special. So as you can see here, we have this little booklet here. It's the World Watch List 2026 version, and they focus on 10 top 10 of the persecuted church. So the first thing that I got in the newsletter is a bookmarker, which I thought was like really generous. I was like, I was not expecting a bookmarker. So they have like the top 10 countries, and because of course this bookmarker was a bit too long, so I had to cut it down to the length of my Bible. But I have this in my prior Bible and I just truly love this bookmarker. Then we have the booklet here, and it's all about 10 impossible stories from the persecuted church, right? So it has all stories from all 10. So the top country so far when it comes to persecution is North Korea. So they have like stories for each. And what I like about this little booklet is that it has like space for you to write as well, so you can write your prayers for each story and country, which is really neat. So I really love this little booklet here. So yes, that's what I got in the recent newsletter when you sign up. So this is the unboxing that I ordered, and I'm just super excited. The way I was so excited, I was just like, oh wait, I need to film. So guys, we are unboxing. This is like my true reaction. I didn't want to open it without letting you guys know what is inside. So let us first see what they have inside. All right, so they always have like a letter just updating you on everything. But guys, oh my gosh, this is the 2026 World Watch List. Oh my gosh, because if you remember the last the 2025 one, you know how it is. But oh my gosh, this one is really nice, and I like the fact that they changed the color, the cover as well. And it's a man. I think the last time it was two ladies that's on it, so that's really nice. At the back here, wow. Okay, so guys, we're looking at this together, literally. The inside is very nice. Ooh, very nice. They have like the stories, and they have the maps. Okay. So I really like how they always do this. They make you aware, and they have like two categories this time. One is for extreme, and then one is very high. So now that I have the resource, I'm going to be updating my prayer diary, guys, so stay tuned for that. You get the gist. Like, it's different countries. They always have like a photo. And then what I really love about this resource is that they have here, please pray, and it's like prayer points that you can pray for each country, so you don't have to worry about what to pray for each country, because they literally got it right here. So I really love this resource, and I was just super excited to finally get the 2026 one. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be one of my resources in my prayer Bible stack. I really like this. They talk about the power of prayer, and they have like a little quote from Brother Andrew, who founded the organization. So Brother Andrew founded the organization, and it's been over 70 years. Open Doors has been helping the persecuted church, which is just mind-blowing. And then they have like more information about their resource that they have. So this is like a really good resource to share with your church, right? They have like resources for children, so like the children's passport and map. They have resources for like youth. They have like the World Watch List map, right, that you can carry, and you know, so much more really. So definitely check out Open Doors if you haven't already. So the next unboxing is a bit for kiddies. I think I ordered a few things for kiddies, but I thought, you know, why not? It's a part of it's from the same website, so why not show you guys what I have. All right guys, so I'm super excited to see what we have. These are like mostly for the kiddies, and I can't remember what else I've ordered, but let's just find out together, okay? All right, so let us see. Okay. Wow, okay. So this is for the kiddies. If you guys remember my last haul last year, right? But this is like the brand new passport. I wish I had this. It's so cute. Right, so this is like the prayer passport for kids, right? 2026 version. My daughter finished her 2025 one. I'm super proud of her because she prayed for like 50 countries. So that was amazing to achieve, right? Look at that. So they have all about me. You can put your picture here. So that's nice. The layout is very different, right? And then how to use the prayer passport and the activity map. They have like a how-to. They said, how are Christian children being persecuted? So they have like different things. And then they brought back the coloring, which my daughter loved doing. Coloring the countries and then writing your little prayer points. Wow. And then it just carries on for like each country, which is super, super nice. So that is very nice. Wow. And then you just carry on to like 50 countries. Let's go at the back. I really like this. Not only that, but it also has prayer points for them to pray as well, for each country, which is so nice. Oh my gosh. Open Doors, if you're watching this, please make a passport for the adults. You know, we would greatly appreciate it. The booklet is nice, but we like the passport too, right? So this word watch list, and then they explain like all the words mentioned. So my daughter is learning a lot. Look at that. Thank you. And then they have like a little picture. Everything is possible for one who believes. And then the picture of the kids. This is really nice. I really like this. I'm used to the red, but I like the purple too. Like the purple is very nice. So yeah, really love this. All right, so now they have like, so this is the World Watch List 2026 activity map, and it comes along with the passport, I believe, right? And my daughter loved this as well when she did it. So it's like different activities, and you can do coloring. And then once you open it up, so literally she would have this on her wall, and she would just go through each country. So yeah. Ooh, I like this. This is very different. Wow. Wait. Let's just unfold this together. So look at that. It says 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Then it says find each country and use the prayer passport to help you pray and tick them off as you go. Can you pray for all 50? Right, so 50, so it start from the top here, right? And it has that little box. This is nice. This is very different and upgraded. Wow. And it says I've prayed for, and then for each country you have like the different colors. So as my daughter is going through her passport, she can look at colors and follow the colors. They can tick the box and literally go around the map. What I like about this is different from last year is that they actually have some of the pictures of some kids in some of the countries, right? Which is very nice. That is very different, right? Then it says everything is possible for one who believes. So this is very nice. I like this. In fact, this is even better than last year. I would say it's an upgrade. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But this is like an upgrade from last year. But yeah, so that's the activity map that comes along with the passport. Let's move on to the next thing. My gosh, I think this is for me. You see what I'm saying? The adults one's a bit it's not as fun. It's just me. But yeah, I think I ordered this for myself, my own little map as well. But I'll show you guys what I have. All right, so it says let me open this. Where are Christians doing the impossible? So it's like my own adult map, right? And it has the top 50 countries, and you can see the persecution levels: extreme, very high. So guys, if you're not praying for the persecuted church, please start doing it. This is what Open Doors is all about, hence why I support them. They truly help me to realize that it's literally happening. It might not be happening in your country, but it's happening in other countries all over the world. So this is the map. I like this map. I think it's bigger than the last map that I had, right? And you can literally, I like the fact that it has like the whole world, right? And then look, if you look at it, this is my country right here, Jamaica, right? And then Cuba. I can't believe Cuba is a part of the list. This is something that I was looking for, right, to put up in my living room or in my prayer corner. I'm trying to make a prayer corner, but it's still under construction. But yeah, so this is the map, guys, if you do order the map. And then when you look at it at the bottom, which is very nice, is that you have some pictures of, you know, the persecuted Christians, and then they have like a little thing that you can scan, and you can order your free copy of the Open Doors World Watch List. So guys, all that I'm showing right now in today's video is completely free, right? It doesn't cost you anything, and you can share with your church to let them know and be aware to keep others in prayer. So yeah. All right, so these books, when I say these books, I have been trying to order from last year, but at the time it was out of stock. So now that it's finally in stock, I finally get to order these, and my daughter is going to be super excited. Even though we did listen to the digital version online and she loved it, so I just still wanted to get her the physical book. So the first one is Mrs. Pilot's Servant Girl. So that was, you know, I don't know, it's a really good book. And yeah, so I just to give her the physical copy, I'm just excited for her, right? The kids I feel like the kids are getting all the good stuff. This is me. And then we have Herod's Secret Policeman as well by Open Doors. So this is like I think we ordered one book from them and my daughter loved it. So now, you know, to have like 2 other books to add on is really, really nice. So this is Herod's story, and the way they tell it is just so kids friendly. So yeah, so that's all that I have. Wow, it's quite a lot that I ordered from them. So we have the books, we got the map for the adults, We have the prior passport and the World Watch List activity map. And finally, we have the booklet, the World Watch List 2026. Guys, if you want to find out all about Open Doors, they have like a YouTube channel, so I will link it in the description box. Go ahead and check them out, support them, keep them in keep the organization in prayer, and even the persecuted church especially in prayer. If you do follow my prayer diary, I'll be updating the countries, so stay tuned for that, because I do pray for them, the persecuted church. So I'll let you guys know once I've updated the countries, and we can stay in tune in prayer, praying for the world, praying for the persecuted church. It's a lot, but I've learned that as you pray, do not take the burden up on yourself, give it to God. So give back those burdens that you feel up onto God. So guys, I really hope that this haul inspire you to pray, get your prayer resources, check out Open Doors if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in another time. Bye, Crystalites.